Yo, what's up, my man? What's nuts? How you doing, brother? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I know. The market's bad. That's why I've been saying sell. We're talking about selling. Fortunately, I'm forced to hold on to my cards right now. Yo, John, good to see you back again. Yo, be seen. Thank you. We did miss yesterday. Tried to get some practice in. I'm gonna have to play a little bit. Yo, Romero and DeMarco, and they're both down. Will they bounce back? The RTTKs should. They might be cheapest tomorrow. Jake Jordan, how you doing, brother? We are back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So guys, the first like 15 minutes, we're gonna do some quick market analysis. I'll give you guys some updates on like the market. Actually, should I just film a full video? And then anybody that's talking market details, we can go into that. What do you guys think? Yay, nay? 490k liquid. We buying at rival rewards or before? Probably during, right after. What's the play of VVD at bottom 354? Should I hold or sell? It's 50-50, so I'll be giving my thoughts. I'll give you guys all my thoughts here on the market here in a second. And then we're gonna make we'll film a video. So I'll film a video on it. How we doing, boys? We'll film a video on it, and basically the idea will be this. So base icon SBC, is that coming? SRTK bias investment. Probably VVD. Probably VVD or Doku if you can win them. With Jonathan David, when should I sell? He's going out of packs, so it just depends on if he has any demand. Arojo drop if you see him come up. Arojo drop, do you think they'll rebound? Guys, you have to understand. I'll explain all the cards. All those cards are kind of run the same, right? So it's really all of them run the same. Let me... Yes, John, how you doing? We're doing just fine, man. Big boy, what should I do at 50k? Be flipping, my man, but it's gonna be tough to flip until tomorrow. So gold, give me a 1 if you guys notice gold common started to shrink up. That's pretty common. Very common. That's how it works. Doku or Alvarez? Yo, Nyax, whoa. Could the 0 say effect? No, dude. What are the chances that you think that Doku's gonna get a plus an upgrade? 100% probably, right? I think it's like 99% Doku's gonna go up, right? Gonna talk, have a point, think good to discuss. Last week, meta gold rare team of the week 2. What are you doing, buddy? 2 cards went lowest tonight and rebounded like crazy for tomorrow 1 p.m. Eastern time. Do you think the trend of less? I think the first week is crazy. To really analyze the market off of 1 week is really tough. So the last like week and a half or how long that game's been out, it's really hard to just say that's what's going to happen week to week to week to week. I kind of take that. In fact, I take predictions from the previous as well. JP, how you doing? What's up, my man? Sam, welcome in. I see what I can kind of see what you're trying to say. Basically, that stuff. It's people want to put coins somewhere, and they don't know essentially where to put it. So let me make sure I'm live on all my platforms here real quick. So let's see here. Add that in, bang. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, we're back. All right, so let me kind of break down like the point of today's live stream, and we'll kind of go from there. If I miss your questions, guys, I apologize. I'm not trying to ignore you here. Okay, so the point of today's live stream, basically, guys, I wanted to be live, and I am going to be. I won't be live at Rival Rewards. That's late. That's late for me, man. That's midnight tonight. So Guys, I did the hours. I actually worked near 100 hours the last 7 days. Out if you count not yesterday. So I worked 100 hours. So I was getting up at like 6 a.m. and I would be working till midnight essentially every night. And as you guys know, I was live for 15 hours. It's work. So I've just been, and then outside of my live streams, guys, I've been doing real estate. I've been doing coaching. I've been doing a bunch of other various things. And so I've been absolutely swamped with everything. So if the last 24 hours or so I've been a little hesitant or I've been a little bit spaced, apologies. When I'll be answering all questions here in a second, guys, but basically today's live stream, I'm going to be focusing more on the gameplay after we do a video for trading. So anybody that has trading questions, I like to say that we are a central hub for a lot of the trading community. And so we're going to make a daily, the daily trading community. We're going to make a video on the market today. And so we should probably start doing these market videos. I need to make like a new advertisement for FUTalert, and that kind of goes over some of the stuff that's going on. But basically, we're going to do a market video. I'm going to try to answer all the questions I possibly can. What we'll try to do is I'll set it up to where we can cover all the markets, and then we'll go from there. The Foot Daily Update, that's what I'm going to be trying to, that's basically the kind of the concept I'm going to be trying to get into with today's video. So is it going to be the daily update? Maybe not. I think it's really going to be, I think I want to call it Market Watch, where we keep an eye on the market, and so we can pop in every 3 days. We don't have to do every single day. I think every single day is a little crazy as the season goes on and down the line. Is that a stretch? But like right now it makes sense to do a daily update, so it might be daily right now, and then it might stretch to like every 3 or 4 days, because it's really tough when I'm trying to do other gameplay analysis as well. TTVA JR, thank you so much for the sub, Prime, for that 2 months, my man. Thank you, brother. Hey John, when is a good time to buy a day young? We'll be answering all of buy sells questions here in a second. So it would be great if you did a market video. Elite and John collab back. I need to get Elite back, man. It's just I just keep missing him. He pops into the community. He's part of the community. Oh, the family's doing better than after the last good news. Thoughts and prayers. Yo, BC, I really appreciate you. They're doing better. They are doing a lot better right now. It would be great if you did a market video as often as you can, not every day, but yeah, that's the point. That's the point. That's what we're gonna try to do. Okay, so let's set it up. So start hitting me with some questions, guys, and we'll try to run through just simple questions. We are also, guys, we have an update to the AI. We've been rocking through some new stuff here on the AI. What's some questions that we have? When is the guys, it's like it's a ladder, so like you play a ton. I didn't play well last night. I was playing like a dumbass. I played my first 2, I won, and then I lost the match after being up 3-0 because some reason my defenders didn't realize I was in a different formation. My drop line was just getting crushed. Anyways, made 400k every day. Made my first 400k ever, only following this since the start of FC 25. Let's go, Horzy, or Horiezu, my man. Should I buy my main team right now? We'll answer that question. Okay, so let me drop some notes in. I'll bring a notepad up. But guys, look at this. The AI is starting to make some coin on high risk and medium risk. So it's starting to make some moves. And it's buying, selling. It's up 5,000 coins today. Just today it's starting to move. Whoa. Or wait, did we add coins to him? He's up. I guess I think we just gave him a larger coin balance to be able to spread out his trades. But he is up right now and he is making coin. Marginal, but it is going to move. Then we have a high risk trade that's coming in as well. I need to hit that as well. And then I need to follow all these so I can just get all the alerts. And then But yeah, so we have a bunch of new traders coming in right now. It looks like the AI actually just made a purchase 12 minutes ago, or just closed a trade, guys. It just closed a trade. Bots, price bots, 5.5, sold at 6.1, 300 coins. It adds up though, and so it'll tell you when to do that. And so like you guys could go in and buy like 50 of these when it goes in, and then you expand that. You see what I'm trying to say? Mindy has broke trend. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so hit me with questions. Hit me with the questions, boys, and we'll try to pull it up. What was
Core 42 just shared 100 bits. Buy Selena RN for 215 or bad move.
Okay, so I'll try to answer. I'll answer that because you sent direct bits. I want to say thank you for the donations, man. Every single day to ask the question. I really appreciate you. Basically, this doesn't look good for Saliba. Dude, I've lost so many coins in the last 24 hours. Guys, give me a 1 if I told you guys that there was going to be a crash on Tuesday or Wednesday. Did I or did I not say that? I'm forced to keep my team right now for FC Pro. I'm basically forced to. Everybody's losing coins, okay? I'm forced to. So I'm in a position where I'm going to lose because I need my team every single night and I need to practice with it. If I don't practice with it, then I can't master that team. I need to play with it. I sold Salva for 250K. Guys, remember, when you sell at the top and the market goes down, that's good for you. Now, the thing about it is, he's asking, do I buy now? Here's a couple things I see. So I see a lot of people getting a lot of coins for the first weekend league. Give me a 5 if you guys agree with that. There's gonna be a lot of coins coming into the market from the first weekend league. And yes, you have way more buy power when the market goes down. So if more coins are coming into the market and there's limited amount of like really high level playable cards, what do we think is going to go up is most likely, do you guys think that we're going to have all these things move up, or do you think stuff is going to go down? I think what's going to happen is the low and mid meta markets are going to get tanked real early. The high meta markets might go up based off of by Thursday. Whatever happens Thursday will be potentially the cheapest. Maybe Friday with the RTTK drop, right? Maybe if they drop promos, on Friday, it will probably be cheapest then. But if they don't drop promos, it'll probably be Thursday. So it's not like it might be tomorrow. So cheapest day might be tomorrow. Star is what I'm seeing. This has a lot of fear. It might have a rebound tonight, but usually you need about 20%. It's 5% to break trend. 20% is really that buy point. So you could probably buy them and be in a really good safe spot. But where I have an issue is if it I don't know if this is the cheapest just yet. I think we need to still see basically where the market's going to go. But what we'll do is a market index. I'll talk about Saliba and see this, guys. This is no bueno, right? This is no bueno. Look at that. So we called this happening. You're thinking metas go down more. When you see momentum like this, that is no bueno, right? When you see something like that, that is no bueno. What came out in the I'll cover everything here in a sec. Star, I hope that helps. Does that help? Did that answer your question? I just want to make sure I answer it. Made 300K today already from Challenge SBC. Insane. BPM. Are there any promo packs? I still have to do my... Should I hit these guys? I need to do these. You know what? We're gonna go for it. I still have a couple thousand to hit, so for my FC Pro packs. But yes, I'm looking to big investments to flip. Patelis is at 500. Yeah, so it's really like what? Again? Leaked Nico Williams, SBC Fodder. Yeah, it should be moved. The Nico Williams card is pretty nice, isn't it? Dude, terrible, right? Terrible pack. AI said hold Rodman, 84. Thoughts? I wouldn't go probably with Rodman, to be honest. I don't know if it's updated on the algorithm that it's based off of. Yo, we just packed Neymar, boys. Is that right? Oh, he's the old man. Look at that. Guys, that's actually a dub. That's actually a dub. That's actually a dub, isn't it? Hey! We finally got something. We finally got something, guys. It has been great. You know, you want to hear a theory I have about FC points and like pack luck? You guys want to hear a theory? I have a theory that pack luck from like people buying promo packs can be based off of like whenever your FC points start to get underneath a threshold, that they juice them. So then you go and buy more. It will be cheaper on Thursday or Saturday. Let me sell Neymar real quick, and then we'll get into what I'll do is I'll pull up a ton of questions. Yo, Star, basically, I just don't know if it's way low right now. Yeah, my pack theory is basically you lose coins and you get better packs. You got Neymar. Yo, when I pack something, everybody is packing something. You know what I mean? Like, let me try to sell Nene real quick. Yo, he's broke 100, man. Whoa. Whoa. That is really bad. I honestly, that's real bad, man. Holy. Well, that's kind of true. I lost coins. I instantly got to walk out. Yeah, so whenever you guys lose, like, so the way I look at this is like whenever I've made my worst trades ever, my best pack luck comes instantly right after that. That I don't know, Buffy. Okay. We'll talk about, okay, so hit me with questions, then we'll cover into the market, and then we'll get into some practice. How's that work? How's that sound, guys? Okay, so questions. What is it? 72-hour market watch. How about that? Wednesday. Give me 1 second. End of day. Thursday. Rival rewards. We'll try to organize like this. And guys, this is what we'll call market watch. How's that? EAFC. It's called, we're going to call it the EAFC Market Watch. I think this will be fun, man. EAFC Market Watch. Lock-ins for 80K. Everyone's panic selling for what? Dude, people just don't like to lose coins. It's just very emotional. Pev from EU. Thank you for the follow, brother. Los Pepes. We'll talk about Friday. A new release. Then we have to talk about Fodder. We have to talk about RTTKs. We have to talk about informs, out of packs, and new What else, guys? What else should we talk about? Oh, whoops, sorry. What else should we talk about, guys? Just packed Rudiger. Again, hold. Yo, people packing stuff right now? You guys have a keeper sell Holland? I would probably sell. What happened to the Foot Daily update? We're bringing... Guys, I'm one dude. I'm one guy. How do I coach? How do I coach, live stream, edit, film, videos? It's a lot right now, so I need a team, man. So we're gonna be bringing it back. General life advice from the GOAT. Guys, thank you for the follows. If you guys have questions, hit me. How can I get the FC Pro code? I think you just have to get Div 3, right? Weekend league rewards impacting the market. Out of pack VVD, a good hold.
How can I get
no, Pleb, you're good.
Pro code?
You're totally good, man. You're totally good. Here, 1 second. Here, 1 second, guys. Oh, whoop. I need to send. Did you get before the first? Why is there such a market crash? So we'll talk about market crash. Wait, we predicted the market crash. We did predict this crash. I've got the game mode, just can't play. Okay. Let me see here. Let's see here. What am I doing right now? I need to see something here. Yo, Nick, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? I hope that sounds, how are you? I don't know what that means, but I want to say thank you if it's kind. If it's mean, I hate you, but I think it's kind. Okay, so let's get this, okay. What else do I need to throw on this list, guys? What else do I need to throw on this list? Meta markets. Let's talk about the meta markets. Just joined, John. What does end of day? EOD, end of day. So like Wednesday, end of day. Today's like midday. It's a business term. How can I check my times? I don't know. Guys, questions. Hit me with questions. What else do we have on here that we need to talk about? What else? He said, hey, John, I'm happy to be watching your stream again. Yo, Nick, much love, man. Thank you. Marino, I really appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. RTTK Lang. Dubs. When to buy teams for week. When to buy teams. When to buy teams. Yo, Moltron. Actually, that's not gonna, may not be Thursday. I'm gonna remember me bought 55 games for 31, so happy now. Yo, did has Fodder gone crazy? It's starting to move a little bit, so that's ahead. So we'll talk about that here in a sec. What else do we need, guys? What else do we need? Oh, we definitely need to talk about AI trading. Calendar, and then topics. We'll do calendar topics. What else, guys? What else do we have? I'll throw it in my teleprompter. Evos will Fodder rise. It will be with that meta market. Sunday will not be the cheapest. Maybe not. Well, I'll do some analysis. What else do we have, guys? What else? Do I have anything else that we need to talk about? This covers a lot. Honestly, this will be the construct. Oh, SBCs. Leagues. Oh, I didn't even look at the. I didn't get a chance to look. Icon loan. Should I do the loan, guys? I probably should. Let me do the loan for FC Pro. Let me just do this loan, guys. This is actually a big deal. If I get like a crazy good base icon, guys, this could significantly impact my team, right? It really could. So bear with me while I do this because it could be a big deal for me. What caused the crash? Dude, it's just fear, man. It's just total fear, right? It's just total fear. What's FC Pro? It's basically how to become a pro in EAFC. I haven't played the game enough, guys. I'm not making my mental. I'm honestly, I am so mad that I continued to play last night when I was on a 2-win streak and then I lost. I was up 3 goals. I lost 1, and then some guy used the corner glitch, which is supposed to be illegal. And so I had to make a dispute, and so I should have ended up like 4 and like 2, but I think I ended up 2 and 4 or something like that. So I'm like very kind of annoyed. R9, dude. If we get R9, guys, there's no chance I shouldn't get I shouldn't make it, right? That's the thing. Keep or sell Doku RTTK. Keep or sell Doku RTTK. Keep Doku. The R1 corner glitch. I'm pretty sure player locking is the player lock corner glitch. Remember how it was in last season? They didn't make it illegal last year. I'm pretty sure it was this year. I had 11 people on an unlisted thing look at it. So it was most likely even EA looking at it. But basically what they do is they it's the player lock corner, right? That was destroyed. Check your SBC. How do you check your SBC storage? How do you check SBC storage? Oh, there it is. Thanks, guys. Yo, big dubs for the SBC storage, boys. Yeah, I see it. I haven't used it yet, guys. Whoop. Let's see. Does this do it? I'm 1 off, aren't I? Throw a Blundell in. All right, guys. This is actually kind of a big deal for SC Pro. Then we'll get into the market. Also, I'm sorry for the music being super loud, if it's loud. Here we go. Boys, I think that's a W. I think that's a W. Now I have, guys, now I have when to buy RTTK. It's either tomorrow. I think it's going to be tomorrow. Yo, guys, now I have Saliba and Blanc. Oh my, that is a huge deal. When it comes to that type of stuff. Anyways, I can't use him just yet in that squad. So hero / icons, maybe. We're gonna 5 that back with them. Maybe. I lost to a 5 that back. It was there's like a weird glitch. Not glitch, but it's like a. So I could technically play that to start. I need a... Do I have the Korean manager? I don't, but I could get a Korean manager and then we're in. I could technically rock this, guys. That's actually not bad, right? That's not bad. I've been playing a 4-1-2-1-2, guys. I had one? I may have bought one. Yo, he's untradeable. Yo, look at that. Let's go. Let's go. That's a W. That is a strong W. Solid didn't impress me. Chiesa is probably the most broken card I've played, arguably, right now. Chiesa's been absolutely insane. But okay, let's talk market. Let me refresh, boys. Let me refresh. Whoa. It's pushing down, man. What's your tactics code? I'm all over the place. Bellingham is cheap now. I know. That's not a bad squad. That's actually not bad at all. Blanc is gonna help me significantly, man. So I'm missing a lot of tackles. Both my center backs, dude. Both my center backs now can tackle. That's huge. I'm going to be traveling the weekend, so I don't want to be playing exchange. What's the best thing to do with my coins while I'm away and I don't need to buy a team? Be liquid and be ready to buy some fodder. LBM fodder. Neymar below 90, I know. Market drops whole week. We'll explain, guys. Okay, so bear with me. Let me finish this up real quick. Let me send this this link over to. Anyways, okay. So, what other questions are here, guys? I'm going to answer all of this stuff here. Fodder at rewards, yeah, 87s. What fodder? High-rated stuff, guys. When Nico SBC, I don't know. Well, all we know is it's coming, right? Okay. So no rush answering. Team of the week, Messi at 150. A good pickup. Don't want to overwhelm with the questions, so no rush answering. No worries, no worries. Okay, I want to know. We're gonna need I really appreciate you as a viewer, man, asking it like that. I really appreciate you. The problem is if I don't see it and I don't answer it, then I miss it, and so I don't want to miss it though. Basically, consider Messi in this market and just take my understanding of the market and then apply it to the cards that you have. We do have like RTTK Nico coming, which is going to be a really probably. Well, how much do you guys think it's going to be worth? 300K. Ready for that Discord. Yo, Molten Hydra, thank you for that Prime 11 minutes ago. I didn't see that. Look at Van Dyke, please, and explain sell or hold. Yes, I'll cover that. 400K. Yeah, you think it's gonna be 400? Yeah. More like 500. Team of the week, Messi, a good investment. Potentially, we'll talk about Messi. So we'll talk about. All right, so this is what we'll do. How do I pin to top? Can I pin this to the top? Let me see if I can just pin the notepad to the top. Pin notepad to top. Control. That's not. It says Control F11. Can I do that? Is that how you do it? Control F11, and it should pin. Not pinning. But anyways, okay. So let's see here. Yeah, Marcus, we're going to talk about the market crash here. We're going to be filming a video, and I'm going to be breaking down everything. So let me run through this real quick. Let's talk about a calendar. Yo, let's use the content calendar. Yo, this would be great. Yo, I can use it. I can use FUTalert as content calendar and basically talk about the calendar coming through. That is really nice. We can just basically start right here. And then I can also talk about the new AI straight from that. Okay, so bear with me here. We're going to talk about the content. I'm basically organized the video, guys. We're going to try to answer all the questions I possibly can. So going forward, guys, if you guys don't know, my name is John. I'm a professional FC coach. I've barely played this game. And so I need to try. I'm going to try to get into FC Pro if I can. The highest rank I was 70. I needed to be in 64, but now I'm like 150 or something because I went on a losing streak last night. But I need to play a lot more. You can snip it and then pin it. That's not a bad idea. I think this will probably work for now. It's just I can just click over and click back type of thing, and then it'll pull up. Can you use the AI on stream because there's no trial for an example? Not a lot. Yes. Yeah. I will. I will. We've been using it all week, and so I will, Damien. I'll show you guys some examples of it. Okay, so that's the first thing is we need to talk about end of day today. We'll talk about end of day today, and then we need to talk about Thursday rival rewards, and then we need to talk about Friday RTTK new releases, new RTTF, and then we'll end up talking about leagues. Which, give me a second. Let me pull up Twitter and we'll pull up the sheriff. Should we buy our teams now? Should we buy our teams now? I'll be answering that question here momentarily. So bear with me as I get this all set up. So, okay, so that's gonna come in right after.
How's family, John?
Yo, Geeks, my man. They're doing a lot better. We ran through some scary times, and I really appreciate you, brother. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Is Bastoni still gonna drop? We'll answer that, guys. Give me 1 second. The price will probably drop till Sunday following last year's trend if we go off of last year's trend. So we need to talk about content, and then I need to actually bring up VVD. Let's talk about VVD from FC24. So VVD from FC24. And so again, guys, this is not going to be edited, so we're going to be talking about everything step by step. Leaks, and so I'm going to try to bring these to you guys every day. Everything's dying. It feels like EA boosted some of the pack luck today. Does anybody feel that? Okay, rival rewards. That's going to impact this guy, and this is going to help us understand the market. Saturday last Sunday market. Okay, here we go. You're a hard worker, brother. You can rest once in a while. I know, man. I've worked over 90 hours, but you can't, man. In content, you just can't. Do I have any content creators here? Do I have any partners here? The thing about it is, you can, but you can't. If you guys know about content, you just can't stop. You just can't stop. If you stop, you lose that momentum, you lose that traction. So we got to keep moving. And so our goal is to just continuously go and keep moving and work as hard as we possibly can without burning out. That's the goal. John, is 4-5-1 better than 4-3-3 with your tactics? I haven't really, it's a little different, man. I'll have to look into that here in a second. Let me stay, can't stop, won't stop. Exactly. Bearded Glove. Welcome in, brother. Okay, so we're looking at, right now, I'm going to be kind of stepping through this. We have market watch, market crash. We have this. This is going to be talking about the calendar here. And then let's also... Actually, I'll just do like a quick introduction on how to trade with AI. And I'll show exactly what we're doing with it. And we'll start through here. Yo, looks like the medium risk is up to 5K making coin now, hoping for a crash based off of a small margin. So we'll see how that works. We want a crash, guys. A crash is good for us, especially those that have listened to us. Okay, so I need to just get organized. So there's the ad. Then we have, this is going to be what we're replicating the market based off of for Saturday and my predictions off of that Saturday. Then we need to go to leaks. Oh my gosh. Then I need, oh my gosh. Whoa. Then I need to go to leaks. Ungroup. Ungroup. Okay. So we need to go to leaks right after VVD. And then I need to go to, actually, we'll talk about AI trading here. Then we're going to talk about fodder. We'll talk about fodder here. Cheapest by rating. Then I need to do RTTK. Do I see Zola? We'll be talking about icons, icon market, RTTKs. We'll be talking about meta market here. I need to go AI, fodder, RTTK. So let's go cheapest. Let's do they have filters yet? They don't have filters just yet. So that's unfortunate. I'm just organizing our video, guys. We're going to be doing this here in a second. So stick with us and we'll be running through the daily market watch update. So we go with UCL. We'll go with add them, add these guys, add these guys. Okay, so all these cards should be in here now. So keep an eye on that. And then we'll talk about informs. Squad 1, Squad 2. Is there just informs? Do they have informs on cheapest by rating yet or no? Do they allow filters yet? They just don't allow filters, do they? It's annoying. Gold Nico Williams. Yeah, he's going to be panic sold, man, for sure, which is really good for some people for FC Pro, though. John, is your 4-1? Thorpe, I'm not 100% sure. I really like the 4-3-3 tactics I used with that squad. I was actually playing better with them than I was with the big team because I wasn't used to playing with them yet. So realistically, I'm not confident in my gameplay yet. I just need to get... I was confident with that other team. I started that new squad, man, and it really messed me up. I really should not have played with them. Advice for Jude. Okay, let's talk about meta market. We're going to be talking advice for Jude. I'm going to price above 200K minimum price. He's going to everything. Well, everything's going to be answered here in a second, guys. So bear with me. I hope, man. I hope I bounce back. I don't have a ton of time to do. Well, I have a lot of time to do it. The first day you get your feet wet and then we go from there. Okay, those are going to be the meta markets. We'll talk through the meta market. We'll talk through gold informs, RTTKs. We've got AI trading, And then we've got leaks, we've got past market, we've got content calendar, and then market watch. Am I missing anything else, guys? Am I missing anything else? What are we thinking? Anything else that you guys want me to cover that's not like directly specific? All of that should be encompassing something of your markets. On 500K, you know what? Let's do this for here. Let's do 2 different squads. We'll do the big, like I'll talk about the major icons, and then price cap of let's do the 75 to 500K. 75 to 500K. Let's do that. And then we'll finish it off with some of the big stuff. How's that? Or actually, you know, we'll finish it off with the smaller stuff. SBCs. Informed to belly 330K. Thoughts? Yeah, he's gonna fall into this price range. It's just that he's out of pack, so he should hold a little bit. Player of the month SBCs. Yes. So yeah, that's actually a good call. And so we'll actually probably talk about that right here. We'll bring it like this, and we'll just scroll up. Does that work? You packed Patelis? Ta-da. That's insane, man. All right. Let's do it. Would be interesting to talk about the 90+ rated fodder compared to last FIFAs. There's barely any on FC25. I think it will likely make their prices a lot more than years before. Is that confirmed? I haven't looked at the actual details on that. Is the high rated 90+ meta cards actually confirmed that there's almost no supply on it? Or is it that people are just holding on to it and we don't know, right? Or we just haven't seen it and it could be hidden supply, but the market's more educated, because if it's one or the other, then it's totally a different outcome, right? It was so easy to flip gold. So good. It was. Not anymore. Josh, you having a tough time? You probably should be. But okay, let's talk about this. What should we do to make money right now? Wednesdays are really tough days. You need to be flipping right now here in about 15 minutes. It's going to be the best time to make some coin for the day. Okay, let's break it down. Let's start to break it down. I'm going to kill the music. Music is now killed. Do you think Nico Williams will be released within a few days, or is it just a matter of a week? Yeah, it should be in the next couple of days. They most likely, maybe Saturdays. They like to drop big SBCs on Saturdays to try to drive some spark away from like the main game, like all the matches being played, and try to hop on some of that hype where you watch the game. That's how I see it. 850K sunk into fodder. Now we wait. Pretty much. Okay. Actually, that's a great call. I need to go and look at. I need to go and do this. And my greatest trade of all time, guys, when I had a whole community get called this. I called this. I called that one last year. That was the greatest call of all time, I have to say. Besides Hamdullah. The Hamdullah trade was probably my favorite one. They're all pretty cheap right now, guys. It's all really cheap. It's just what you base your stuff off of. Okay, so let's start it off. How about it, boys? We're back. Here it is. All right, here we go. That Rodri trade was better. The Swanson trade was even the best, right? Stuart Little, thank you for the follow. Ping Uzar, thank you for the follow. Ash Fack, thank you also for the follows. Let's get to it. Welcome back to EAFC gameplay analysis. I'm not doing gameplay analysis. It's the Foot Market Watch. So, all right, actually, let's start this off. Let's redo it. That wasn't good. Welcome back to Market Watch. Ladies and gentlemen, we've changed the name from the Foot Daily Update, FC Daily Update, to Market Watch this season. And what Market Watch is going to be based off is very similar to the FC Daily Update, except for when the market's booming, you'll know. Instead of making a video every single day and it's repetitive, we're going to be trying to pop in and give you guys the best content consistently to talking about major updates in the market. Right now, the market is going tanking, and we called the market crash. We called the market crash, and it's been going down. So if you have been in my live streams, you guys are more than welcome to come to my live stream on twitch.tv/John Sims or here on the YT on YouTube and get your trading advice. But basically, we called this crash. We called this all night. We've been calling it all week. So you guys could have saved coins if you stuck with us. So don't forget to follow, subscribe for just even saving coins. Hopefully that gives you enough. But let's go ahead and pop in. Here's the thing. Do I believe the market's going to go down? Guys, we have a topic today I'm going to stick to. I'm going to go cover the next 72 hours on the live stream or on the market. I'm going to tell you guys when you should be buying your teams. We're going to cover leaks, AI trading, where my new website we have for AI trading. We have Fodder, RTTKs, Informs, Meta Markets. It's going to be jam-packed today, so hop in, and strap on, because we're going to be bringing you guys a lot of content. So bear with us as we continue. So this is actually my website. This is the content calendar. So right now, this is actually our front page of FUTalert AI. So if you guys need help trading with AI, you guys can ask our footy assistant any question, and it'll actually give you guys, it will actually spit it back, and we'll come on and we'll talk to you guys something a little bit later. But basically, this is real time. I'm not touching it, and it's going to be thinking. It's thinking about a 50,000 coin investment here, and it's going to pull out about 5 or 10 options. So this is what it says right now. Peter Crouch, base hero at 36.7. He thinks it's going to go to 64 at some point. So it looks like it has some of these options. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can see the link below, and we can keep rocking. But okay, so basically, Team of the Week ends today on 2 and starts tomorrow. So what happens is usually these Team of the Weeks get kind of pumped up in price on Monday or Tuesday as they're starting to go out of packs, as the supply shrinks as well. So Team of the Week 2, sometimes they go down initially, and then over time they come up. That's kind of what I see. If you guys are thinking about investing in a Team of the Week 3, do not buy on the day release unless you're just so confident that it's going to go up like 25, 50% because of the valuation on the market and finding a price margin in like some sort of meta or something like that. But that's extremely risky. I wouldn't necessarily buy here. But if you are invested into Team of the Week 2, guys, it's going to be okay over a period of time. We'll talk more about some of this market crash, and so stick tuned. So the best way to be a part of this content, guys, is to take what your questions you have in your situation and apply it to the part where we cover. So that's going to be the idea. But if you stick through all of it, you never know. You might get a pack, and then you need to know this information anyways. So here we go. We've got basically we have end of day today. The supply is going to be relatively flat. We're going to have Thursday rewards. So rewards tomorrow should pull the markets down. Now, what's happened in the past, and this is what I want to bring, is this is VVD's market from last season. And guys, this is all done live on stream here. So last season, guys, at this day, we called this market crash happening. At this day, the markets went all the way down. Now, he found a break a trend based off of how meta he was, but it broke here and went all the way down through the weekend. Now, will this happen again this week? Well, maybe. Why would it not? Well, we have a couple of variables that we are thinking that is maybe rotate the market up. That first variable is the pack rewards are so insane this year that there's going to be a stimulus into the market. A stimulus. However, when pack rewards are good, that means supply comes in. When supply comes in, prices go down. So really what matters is, are the pack rewards so good? Are the pack rewards so good that the supply comes in and pushes everything down? Or will the pack rewards be good enough to where that not all these high rated stuff comes in and it pushes things up, right? So which one is it? That's impossible to know. They're both an opportunity there. So what I believe is going to happen in the next 72 hours between Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is we could see the lowest point coming in on Friday or Saturday. So if you guys are wanting to buy your teams, I would be waiting until potentially Saturday. Now, if we get a reversal like on Friday, if this is a crash and we see a rebound, that might be the lowest point that we're going to see. So I had a couple people asking Saliba, Hollins, all these different 200K range cards, which, guys, later in the video, we will cover even further in depth. We'll be covering this topic right here as we continue, even icons and all that, between 75 to 500K. So stay tuned to that. Is it going to be worth your time to buy? Potentially, it might be Thursday, it might be Friday, it might be Saturday, or it And so basically, we're at a discount day pulling down off this market. So this market's basically crashed in the last few hours. And so right now, this is showing 70. This is showing 10 points down, guys. If you look at this market right now, this has gone like this. So this is where this is coming in. If you actually look at, if you zoom out, this is how far the market's gone down. So usually when something like that happens, guys, there's going to be at least a 10% pull. So my day traders that are going to be in the live stream, you might be able to buy back on a rebound since it's been dropping so low. And as we're filming this is the cheapest time of the day. So you could be able to take some risk right now and maybe get a nice little swing kickback on the market. Is that guaranteed? No, that is a little risk. So that's more for the live streamers. But okay, so let's go ahead and move on into team of the week or the league. So, and this is going to be a big deal. Player of the month. Which one does it choose? Which one does it choose? Does it choose Mbappe, Yamal, or Inaki? Right now, I'm playing with the Chiefs squad with Inaki. Oh my God, he's insane. Dude, he's so good. He is so good. He's so fast. Insane. Now, Yamal's probably most likely what I would see EA doing if they could do it. But if Mbappe gets it, and we're off to the races, and almost everybody's going to have an Mbappe and spend some money early game. So what will EA tend to do? And on top of that, we have RTCK Nico Williams coming out. So that should impact the gold card pretty heavy. I would expect this to pull down because his 85 card seems a little pricey right now. But it does have a 5-star weak foot. He does have that L1 sprint boost. He does have that movement right now. So it is, that's going to be one of those weird ones. But okay. So another thing I want to talk about with the AI trading, guys, this is coming out. This is all beta. Guys, this is my actual website, my own company. I'm a co-founder part of. So if you guys need help with this site, feel free to reach out to me. Ask me any questions. We do have support in both the FUTalert Discord and my own personal Discord. We have support. But you can ask questions in the chat bot, but this is what's coming out. Is you'll be able to track your trades through AI, and it'll tell you when to buy, when it tells you to buy, when to sell. It'll give you alerts to your phone, and it'll tell you all of this information on hold, closed, and you can see all the profit movement. And so you guys will be able to track this. This is a short-term, medium risk. We basically taught the AI and trained the AI on using real stock market analysis and indicators to understand how to trade and when the best time to buy and sell is, and get that alerted to your phone. Well, let me tell you, it's going to be a dream. So if you guys want to get early access to the beta, this should be coming out Friday is our plan. That's a new one to the live, boys. That should be coming out Friday. So if you guys do have FUTalert, our plan is to drop this beta, the alert tracker, on Friday. That is going to be our goal. But let's go ahead and keep going back into it. So next up is going to be fodder. We're going to be talking about some fodder here. So fodder is probably my best trade from last season. I'll show you guys what happened last year. We had Casemiro, and we told everybody to buy here. And so it was really funny because a lot of people just don't understand how the market is. And so I told him to buy here. And so I think we got a little upswing from our content and maybe just community in general. And so then what happens is it came back down, and I had all what I call little Billy Timmies. I had all these little Billy Timmies come in and be like, John, I didn't make any money. Right? Oh, I'm losing coins. I'm like, just be patient, guys. Just be patient. And then they said, then they're like, you're the worst creator ever. And then we went straight to the moon, boys. We went straight to the moon.
Mini and Mindy are already bouncing back.
Awesome, Jokey. Very nice, brother. That is good. There should be some bounce back today. But on some of those higher rated cards that some people have been eyeing that are just a little bit out of reach. That makes sense. But basically, guys, will this happen again this season? Potentially. Will it happen as drastic as a 2x return on 21 rated 88s or 89s? Oh, I hope so, because that's where we're going to be hedging our trades into. Will it be early or after FC Pro for me to where I can actually make that coin? I don't know. It's just I'm locked into FC Pro, so I'm locked into all my coins right now, so where we're going to go. So what I recommend with fodder, guys, is going higher stuff. 89s, 90s, even 91. Rodri's going to have some price points to where that 56K is actually not bad. Usually, guys, this stuff moves way faster than this. There's really good deals everywhere in the market. I really see 87s as a great opportunity to buy. Can you give us a price point?
_42 just shared 100 bits. Can you give us the price point per Fodder rating like you did last season?
Yeah, I can do that, but right now the market's just really low, so I just try and win it 5, 10, 15% underneath market right now. Everything is really low. It's all super low. So like if you ask me like what's my price, and it's already gone up 5% since we've even seen this. But basically a lot of people, what happens is when the markets come down, so when the markets come down this drastic like this, when they drop that hard, people want to put their coins that they sold out of all the way here. They want to put their coins into something. And so the safest move, and based off of last year and creators like myself and the people that analyze the market, what we do is we hedge. A hedge is simple. We put coins into something that's going to either stay flat or go up while everything's going down to create more buy power. And so cards like this going up while there's a market crash, it's not coincidence. It's actually a tactic. So this is actual trade technique. And so I recommend that as well. But it doesn't mean that it's not going to do this first. So when we say the thing about it is doesn't mean that it's not going to go up to that 22 and then right back down to 19. So it could be lower by Thursday. So you guys could wait until Thursday. It really depends on when. When does it depend on? It depends on if this is coming or this is coming and how fast they come. So really, don't clip that. It really depends on when Mbappe is going to come out. It really depends if Mbappe, Yamal, or Inaki are the ones of the player of the month. If Mbappe comes, you're going to see a market that's going to move like this. This is what I see, okay? If you see Yamal come, maybe not so much. This is unedited. And if you see Inaki release, that's not better. Whichever player of the month drops, you get it. Okay, we get it. Whichever one releases, comes out, we're good. Okay, we're gonna move on. Fodder, that's the take on Fodder. Now I'm kind of stuck here. RTTKs, boys. When to buy RTTKs. So usually, guys, 7 days prior to the match is the best day to buy. This is very simple. Guys, I can't do this anymore. I need to get rid of this chat box. Okay. Basically 7 days prior to their match is the best time to buy. A couple of these cards had some swings. My favorite card is going to be DeMarco. It did take a swing down. I basically said either we kind of thought it's usually either Sundays or Thursdays is going to be the best day to buy. It started to swing up. You have to sell prior to content. So if you guys are doing RTTKs, you either want to get in when the market goes really, really low and you hold on to them for a very long time. So it really depends. I'm not 100% sure when they play next, but basically off of that, you also want to place bets on teams that are going to do really well. We all can pretty much guarantee that this card's going to go up 1 in value. And so I believe, 737, this one's taken a 100K swing here in the last hour or two. Basically, what I'm seeing is RTTK Doku is already lifted, not only because he's an 80 rated or he's a 93 paced. It's an 87 versus his 80, and his 80 was already like 30K. This card's good. 1, 2, there's a good chance that this will go up to like 89 or 90, right? Maybe even past that. So whatever the stats are, I haven't looked at the actual upgradable values, but basically you see what I'm trying to say. Basically whenever you guys are trading on RTTKs, you're basically invested into sports betting. So this is, if you've ever sports betted ever, it's all risk versus reward, but the safest way to trade is 7 days prior to match. So 7 days prior to match, and then selling it about 6 hours prior to match. So buying it 7 days prior, 6 hour, and selling 6 hours prior. That's typically the best way to trade. Usually there's a sell-off right before game. If you guys hold on to it, that's up to you. And going from there. But anyways, okay, moving on from RTTKs, moving into informs. Should you guys hold on to informs? So this is one's a little tricky because we'll talk about some of the meta stuff, and then we're going to start talking about some of this lower stuff. So the cards that just released should drive down significantly. They should drive down really, really quick. They should all go down very, 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 very fast. Over the next 72 hours, there's going to be a lot of supply. So they're way up. So rule number one, do not buy a card on the day of release unless you're doing like a night flip where you buy it like 4 hours after market comes out. That's when the supply is heaviest. 3 to 4 hours after, right? You get a really good deal on one, and then it goes up overnight. That's a little bit different, and try to get like a 15% swing. That's not a bad flip. You guys can definitely do that. Now, what we really when I'm talking about like investments, people are talking about Yamin Yamal. Everybody's asking me, John, is Yamin a really good investment all week? And I said no. And they're like, it's going up. Do I buy? And I say, no, do not buy. Do not buy. I don't care. This is all this is just a drive of demand of some server or someone driving this card. It's just hype. It's not more cards that come out, the lower the value this one gets. That's how I see it, okay? The more cards and also this player of the month potential could drive the price down as well. But 20%, it just shows you where the market's going. If I see something going up like 1% while everything else is going down, this is the type of card that I'd be interested in. It just came out of packs, 118, 120. Buy it for like, try to get it for like 110 on a snipe, or like underneath that, and maybe sell it for like 125, 130. I could see that being potential. Great pace. He's got intercept, bruiser, block, aerial, decent card, yada, yada, yada. Some of that stuff is okay, but the problem is the more cards that come out, they hurt these cards as well. Just understand that natural flex up is what you're looking for. You're looking for a natural flex up. So like a 10% on Mateo, I have no idea why. There's probably some reason why she's gone from like 17 to 18.5. But this is the 19K. This is the type of flip I'm looking for in terms of informed trading. If I'm looking for informed trading, I'm usually sticking around the 15K, 10, 15K range. There's a Nicholas Jackson that we were flipping just yesterday. So he's at 14,250. We were buying him at like 13. We were selling him at like 14.5, 14.75, 15K, taking 1,000 coins a flip. Easy trades right here. All in this market here. So if you guys are looking at informs, I'd be either club stocking for the long run because a lot of these will just naturally go up to like 20, 30K at some point. Will it take some time? Yes, it will. But they're really relatively limited because not very many packs. So these should pull up. They should do well. That's not going to be an issue at all. But right now, if you're packing like a new Vandeven, this card's going to drop significantly. Did they drop with some playstyles? Didn't even give him playstyles. It's just a really fast, strong center back, and that's all it is. He's good, but he's going to be losing later on, guys. He's going to be losing later on. Okay, so moving on from informs, let's go into some of the super meta market. Super meta markets have like, I want to say like a 75% chance to go up. 25% chance to go down. I actually are 90% chance to go up in my mind. I see it way more possible that they're going to go up than go down. And the reason why is we're going to get a lot of supply over the weekend, and the people that are going to get the best and these are not going to get much supply, even though there will probably be a little more supply. The people that are going to get the best rewards and get the best cards are usually those people that do the best in Weekend League. Now, not always the case, as but typically over a number of period of time, yes, that's who wins the best cards. So the first Weekend League is going to be insane. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to get a lot of coins. The best players in the world are going to get the best packs, and then they're going to pack some really good stuff. And even if the random people, basically, there's going to be a lot of supply in the market. And so wouldn't that drive the price down? Yes, but the price of the inflation period of all those really high level players getting really good The really good packs or basically there's going to be people with a lot of coins and they're going to buy stuff. And as that stuff comes out, the problem is we'll have to take it day by day. So come by to the live stream for this topic. This is something that I need to adjust my idea day by day and see where this takes. So this is one of those. If you guys are in that 2 mil range, we need to see it day by day. Like right now, this like Eden Hazard's a really good idea because it'll most likely move faster than other stuff because it's a new card. And the same thing with where is he? Blaze Matuidi. Matuidi's also one of those cards that I see doing very, very well. This is one of my favorites, and I might actually sell some stuff to get him. I might sell my Salah to get him because I think he's arguably the best CDM in the game. Press, proven, anticipate, intercept, relentless, quick step, ping pass plus. He has the perfect withholding plus plus. He's got the perfect play styles essentially with great stamina. So he lasts in all game. He's fast, he's quick as you can imagine. Ping pass breaks. He's very, 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 very insane. So these are some of the cards that I'll be keeping an eye on. You guys can come by my live stream to check that out. But okay, moving on to the last one, where most people are going to be in is that 75 to like 200K range. So what's going down right now, guys, is just standard market stuff. Ronald Araujo is staying at like 90K, or he's like 90K. He was 100K just yesterday, right? I thought he was going to hit a little bit further. He didn't move. That usually creates a reversal. So that's what this is. It's very simple. He peaks at this price and then he goes right back down to his resistance. And so then he should fluctuate from this point on to at least to like 92, 93. So if you guys snipe him right now at like 86, 87, 85K, win a Ronald Araujo, you might be able to sell him and flip him for 95. So it'd be really easy to do that, guys. I see that potentially happening very, very easily. Just taking a nice little flick there. So not a bad option there. What else do we have? And so stuff like that basically is going to continue to come down. Nico's dropped significantly. This is also a rebound. You could probably do a rebound. He's already pulling up as well with that RTTK potentially coming. He's already dropped 25%. But again, some of this stuff drops significantly and then it bounces. Tanya Bumpastor. This is one of those cards that's actually really insane, but it's not really that well known. 106 already rebounding. You can see a lot of this stuff is starting to rebound. Jules Koundé, very similar. This is that meta FC Pro market that a lot of people are going to be talking about. We're at 104,000 coins. It's already up 115. You can see that rebound really strong right now for Jules Koundé. So I'm seeing some strength on the resistance where we're at this exact point. The cards I see going down over the weekend are cards like Chiesa, low rated, but way overpriced. Now, I'll tell you right now, it's an insane card. It is a really good card, still pulling up a little bit though, but it's just going to get driven down with packs. It's just going to get hit and packed and packed and packed and packed, and it's going to be driven down to the ground. So that's what's going to happen to Chiesa. Same thing kind of with like a Ferland Mendy. He was like 134 yesterday. This one should rebound. He's already up another 10% based on, or like 8% since he's crashed. So the rebound's kind of already happening. If you guys are in the live stream, I would be bidding and trying to win those battles. But that's it for the first episode, guys. I hope you guys like this episode, this trend of Market Watch. If you guys were here last year, tell me what you like and what we missed out on. And we try to cover everything from icons to metas to informs to every single card in the market, and then taking that and applying it to the game. So we did cover icons, and so my chat's asked me about icons, which we did cover. So, you know, that's the whole point of the live. But anyways, until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys for another episode of Market Watch. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So how do we see it? What are the thoughts, boys? What are the thoughts? We covered Fodder. It was a video, boys. Shoot, I missed Here, 1 second, guys.
Just picked up DeMarco at 87K. Is that a good investment?
Yes, but I would wait until 7 days prior to the market. That's usually the best time to buy. So it might be like 95 when you pick them up or 100K when you pick them up. But the thing about it is, so it just totally depends on the type of return. It's about a rate of return. 7 days is usually the best time to hit it. Is gold common method still good? Yes. Right this second it is. Which I invested in. I got 250K. Yo, we just dropped that video. Let me upload this video, guys. Just give me a couple minutes. We're gonna upload this video, and then what we're gonna try to do is, what I'll do is I'll link that video. Guys, give me a 1 if you guys like that kind of idea. Monthly trading tips, and guy barely puts out any decent content. FC Sniper on who? Is the 88, 89 hedge good investment right now, or would you wait for rewards? I honestly, it's okay, man. As long as it's not me, I don't care. It doesn't matter. What you upload in the video we just reviewed or we just made. So guys, I don't get why everyone says to get ground pass assistance to assisted, changing it to semi, improve my game massively thanks to you. Yo, Mac, I appreciate you. I put it back on assisted because a lot of those variables have been issues until like all my variables get up. So once we get more play styles, it's gonna put it back on it. There's been a crash. Oh yeah, dude. Massive crash. Not gonna lie, dude. One of the biggest crash so far this season. Yeah, it's we called it though. We called it, guys. Bear with me. I'm just updating this. Should I make my thumbnail, boys? I need to make a thumbnail real quick on the market. The crash. What should I title it? Market, the EAFC crash. Trading this week's. I'm just gonna say how to make coins this week. Here, 1 second. I just need to get this thumbnail up, and then I'm gonna drop that video. One second, guys. I just had to make a thumbnail real quick. I want to get this video out though as soon as possible, so bear with me. Market watch. Should I sell my Van de Ven? This is my thumbnail now, boys. I tried to make that real quick. Van de Ven? Yeah, I would sell Van de Ven, dude. Yo, it broke, dude. It just broke its own resistance going down. What you need to do this for first week in league. make one. There we go. Okay. I'm almost there, guys. Just get I need like a 60 second, like bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to get this uploaded. I usually, guys, if we start to really start to roll here as a content creator, I'll be able to have somebody else do this in the back end. But for now, it's a little tough. Guys, on Twitch, does it say all right, we posted. Let me use the restroom. I'll just give me 10 seconds, guys. I've been live for over an hour. We just did a 20-minute video, so give me a second. We're gonna get into some gameplay. I'll answer some trade questions. We're gonna get into some gameplay, and then we'll have that link to that video to help you guys. So give me 1 second. Take some bids. All right, here we go. All right, hit me with your question, boys. Hit me with your questions while we do this. Here's the link to the video. So we will try to pin that if we can. There we go. Just got here. What's the rundown for today? My man, we just did a 30-minute video. But you guys can ask me. Basically, the idea is going to be, I think this is the way we do it now, guys. Give me a 5 if you guys like this. Because I don't want to kill the live stream, but I also want, I don't want to like keep on killing myself saying the same thing over and over and over and over. And I think whenever I say something over and over and over, that's a good chance to make a video. So what I want to do now, guys, is when I start the live stream, we start it. I get content out to you guys right after content. I might start my live streams right around 10:45, so I can maybe do a video on new content before I go live, which is right after UK time. So I can get some content out, like a do not do this SBC video. I can try to edit that really quick and get that out. I can get live for you guys. Right before bid battles, right when bid battles start, we can go right into the video. So right at 7 p.m. UK, we can go right into our market watch update. If there is a big update, if it's a standard day, it's a standard day. And then we go into like the investments for the week, all that type of stuff. And then when people come in, then we can just reference that video. And once they watch the video, then they come back with more direct questions. Then we can move on from there. So we relate that video to them first, and then they come back. And so I don't have to just like lose my brain saying, Holland, telling him, you know, do I invest in Kane tomorrow because of rival rewards, or do it now? I think you have some time, but that's just me. If you don't buy now, it could hit tomorrow. I just don't know when those SBCs are coming. That's the main thing. You just packed RTTK Doku. They play in 3 weeks. So FC 20. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Is do you think so? So here's the thing about that. So with Doku, so apologies, guys. I'm not trying to ignore your chats here. With Doku, if let me put the chat box up. If you just pack Doku, you're in a weird position where he's come down. You might want to wait maybe and sell, but you also want to be ready to pull the trigger on Fodder because I think there's opportunity with Fodder. Should we buy our teams right now? No, not necessarily him. I appreciate you though. We did answer that question in that video, so I would recommend clicking the link to that video, and that should definitely help you on your squads. So 89 rated Fodder is a good investment right now. Yes, it is. It is a very good place. All right, let's see here. John for tomorrow. Do I ledge AI or hedge all and Fodder into 500 or buy full meta VVD? It's gonna be Fodder, man. Be seen. The problem with being a trader, guys, is that it's not always that fun because you're it's really hard to build your team. So it looks like it's starting to pull. It's floating off on momentum. Looks like Kane and Hedderberg are coming up, right? Yo, isn't that weird? Yo, look at this. At the top 100, who's pulling? Only two things I talk about. How long is wait with Fodder? It could be a day, it could be a week, it could be 2 weeks. It shouldn't be more than 2 weeks. It really depends on which player of the month is coming. That's how I see it. Let's see how the AI is trading right now. There's a chance that did it sell? Yeah, it did close. So it closed. It's currently, it looks like it. Oh wait, it's currently liquid. The AI is currently liquid. That's pretty smart, man.
Which rated Fodder is the best to invest in, do you think?
Higher, 89, 90. But it could pull down a little bit. That's actually pretty good. He needs to get bidding. I know. Honestly, I'm not too worried about bidding. I need to worry about practicing. So my goal is actually I'm going to be grinding some matches while answering the chat. And then, so right now my goal is FC Pro. My goal is actually FC Pro. So we're on it 2 times. We're moving. I finally started winning some matches last night. This is what it's going to look like for me tonight. This is actually pretty smooth. Marquinhos is better, right?
Do you think Brazilian managers are going extinct before Futch?
Yeah, I do. I do. What else has been moving? Honestly, Korean ones are going to be Korean managers are well. Oh, you know what? If Inaki comes out, guys, this is actually a call. You guys are listening. If Inaki drops, can I have somebody put this in the premium as well? And Banzer, if you're here, if Inaki SBC drops for player of the month, the Ghana could be a really good one because he's already at like 1600. Pedri left, Beelan, Ham right, and De Jong mid. Pinku, we're building on it right now, Pinku. We're a little bit behind. It's still beta, but yeah, so the alerts will go to the phone. Pedri left, Beeling Ham right, and De Jong mid. Yeah, he goes into cam. Let me. Yo, what was that? Is that a stretch? Yo, Kieran Thomas, dude. Good to see you, bro. With the stretch. Guys, I got my Chelsea shorts on, boys. I got them Chelsea shorts on. I got the Chelsea. Anyways, when is a good time to invest in Team of the Week 2 cards? I would say next 72 hours. Whenever the lowest market is. Yuck. Boo. I know. Hey, we're not that good right now, guys. Okay. My question is, so if this is gonna be my squad, here, and we have Son, glory, Man U. Give me a 1 if you guys are a Man U fan. Give me a 2 if you're a Man City fan. Give me a 3 if you're a Chelsea. Give me a 4 if you're Arsenal. Give me a 5 if you don't give a about the Prem. When do I there's always so many Man U fans everywhere, man. Liverpool. Okay, fair. Philly Union. Fair enough, man. When do I buy my team? Like your last team. This weekend, I think. I answered in the video today. Arsenal's really good this year. Bigger crash rivals are at con. When stuff comes down this fast, guys, that means there's a lot. Where's the money? Guys, where's the coins going right now? Give me a 1 if you guys are liquid right now. Give me a 2 if you still are holding on to your cards. You started a war? So a lot of people liquid right now. So when we're liquid and it's only gone down like 20%, what does that usually mean? But if everybody's all liquid, that means prices are holding at a fugazi value up while we're all liquid. 55 Canes, not a flex buy for 31. Easy, man. So we could see with a stimulus, you're gonna see like a crazy influx potentially, man. You're gonna see a crazy influx. Maybe I get rid of this. I get Matt Tweedy in here. What if we did this, boys? What if we did this? Who do I throw here? Maybe get Foden. What are we saying, guys? Oh, man. You do? Yeah. Well, I wouldn't play in this formation. I'd play in like, the problem is I'd play in this. I could probably sell that. Chiesa. I should do Chiesa, man. I think I would Chiesa. Dude, Chiesa's absolutely insane, isn't he? Yeah, Son can't play left wing, man. It's really annoying. Maybe we go with that Nico as well. Okay, so this would be my team. So I would essentially... The problem is I need... need 800K. And if I'm rocking this, that means I would sell. I don't think I can get to it. Unless I'm missing like a big card. 4213 looks good for your players. 60, that's like for 50K. I don't think I have it. Unless there's like an 86, that's crazy expensive here. I don't think I have it. I don't think I have it to get my Tweety, man. I really want to get my Tweety, man. I would sell Mendy for him. Well, Salah is good, man, but Chiesa, there's something special about that card. There's something special about Chiesa, man. There's something so weird about that card. I can't explain it. I would have to do English. I would have to do... Problem is, I don't have... I wouldn't get Kim on that, would I? Sonali, good investment? No, I wouldn't necessarily. Best time to buy Neymar. If cards go down over 20%, usually it's a good time to buy. Today was a big crash. I think it'll continue tonight. So guys, do not buy until at least tonight, no matter what. You buying these now? Probably not tonight. Did you pack Blanc as a loan? Yeah, for FC Pro at least. Which was, I think, a good, man, I was really happy about that. Dude, I'm telling you, Chiesa's insane. Lost 20, should I sell? Los Pepes, I just dropped a video on talking about that. Basically, the best time to buy RTTKs is 7 days prior to it. Everything goes up a little bit up until that point, and then they start to move a little bit faster. So it's really, do you want to hold until the next match? And it should go up from where you're at right now, but potentially we have a market crash through the weekend. I'd probably sell, man. When's FC Pro start? Or the website had problems, so it got pushed back. It started tonight. It started last night. If there were problems, I'd be down for yesterday being like a practice, man. Is that true? John, is there an option to book for one session at a time? There is, but Arrow, I would appreciate until after Monday or after FC Pro. I'm trying to. I have a few people that I need sessions, and I'm running out of time right now to practice.
What do you reckon I do with the Doku RTTK? Sell him in like a week and invest in other things?
Yeah, you could definitely do that, or you just want to make sure you hit the right timing on the fodder market. I think Salva's a good buy this evening. Yeah, I think, guys, everything's gonna pull up, but like you have Thursday tonight, you have rewards coming in tonight, and then it's gonna then people are gonna probably be hesitant about RTTK supply coming in tomorrow. If lightning rounds come in Friday, it's gonna drive the market down. And then you're going to see the first weekend league sell off, and then all that supply is going to come onto the market as well. And so it's going to be another 25-30% crash, and then it'll pull up. Arrow, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I don't mind doing like an offline thing for the first session. Like if you bring a video and then I can do it offline, and I can kind of film it at my own at my own leisure. That's probably the best for me right now. When to sell all my cheap OP lazy list cards because of crash. That's what I'm saying is I think it's going to continue to go down. So it's not like when to sell. It's like the when to sell was 2 days ago when I told you to sell, or yesterday when I told you to sell. It was yesterday or 2 days ago. I've been calling it the last 2 days. 89 or 90 rated fodder. What's the best investment if you had to choose, or should we wait until tomorrow for a reward crash? Higher is the better, man. The higher is the better. When do we buy meta? That's what I'm saying is we have to take it day by day right now. We have to take it day by day for the meta. So the market's gonna, I basically just made a video on it, but okay. I basically just made a video on it. Let me see when to buy heroes. Like I said, same concept, 86.77 total crash. And if the PC market's below the console market, that's usually not a good sign for the market. How can I do offline session? I'm free, Tom. Off from school. I'm free tomorrow off from school. I got you. Just honestly, if you just book like a 1 hour session, if you book like a 1 hour session, then I can do it. Then I can just do it offline. All you do is you just film a YouTube video and then just make it unlisted and send me the link, and then I got you. Missing my gameplay videos? I know. I have to play the game though. Problem is I have this mixed community of like half of me. What's up, Mash? Half of my community want me to grind this game. Half my community don't even want me to hop in a match. They're like, why even play, man? Just give me my trade. And so I try to make that video. So if you guys do have a market update, please check that video up above. That's going to help you guys out with the main concepts over the next 72 hours. But okay, so this is kind of my squad right now. Should I hop and use this squad? Because Blanc doesn't change too much off my squad, right? It just changes. I need a Korean manager. That's it, right? So I can basically hop him in. So Kane for 30K is a good investment. Kane for 30K. Yes, he is. Sun team of the week, insane card, but he's gonna fluctuate with the entire market. I think the market's gonna go down, and then it has a chance to actually skyrocket on Saturday, I think, guys. By end of the weekend, the market could recover big time, or you're not gonna see anybody confident. When to buy in for Martelli? Same concept, man. Same concept on that. Should I hold off on Nico and watching you play? Help me out. So play some more. All right, Costa, let's do it, man. Hold off on Nico. Yeah, Nico's gonna be a little 50-50. Hendrix, thank you for the follow. I think what's gonna happen, guys, is the price of Nico is going to be outrageous, and so people are going to hopefully look and wait until that moment where the price is going to be coming in, and then I think the price is going to come in way too hot. I think it's going to come in way too high. Yo, Cornboy, how you doing? I have 2K right now, 370 at Owen and 500. Wish me luck, man. Yo, FC Sniper, good luck, brother. Do you think the fodder will rise? Yeah, fodder is significantly undervalued. It totally depends on the pack weight and supply and what EA choose to do. But honestly, guys, if EA choose to destroy fodder, the AI is going to go all off. Yo, thank you, guys. We'll get back to some trading. Guys, if you guys can... Oh, I forgot. I don't even know my tactics because I've used like 4 different squads. Basically... Dude, this is the 82 Inaki Williams. Oh my gosh. Homie's got the Mbappinator. Really? He also has right guard. John, 3 million trade with icons. You definitely can. I recommend fodder is going to be arguably the best.
Will Kane drop even more tomorrow?
Yeah, potentially. So like what I'm saying is I'm not buying anything just yet. If you buy right, you can't lose. It just depends on if an SBC like crazy comes out. If like the Nico SBC comes tomorrow, fodder's probably gonna go up a little bit, right? Or it might go up a lot a bit. But if it comes out after the weekend, market's gonna stay low, and you're gonna have a better buy time on the weekend. So like when to buy now through basically Saturday, it just depends on content. Woo! Ah, dude. It's almost like that's a pass that if I dude, if I was there we go. Okay, give me a second, guys. If you guys have questions, you guys are just now joining, please watch that video that's linked. That should help quite a bit. Dude, that intercept plus. What is that pass, son? Ah, dude, I was trying to do a ball roll and I didn't ball roll. No way he lets that run through. No way. Hey man, I'm not always acting in the FIFA. Here, 1 second, sniper. Bro's got a very expensive team. What do you think 8-9 will could be up? Yo, it's just whenever the SBCs come out, that's what matters. I just don't know if usually they like to drop the banger SBCs on Saturdays. That's my best bet right now, but I don't know when the player of the months are kind of weird as well. So it just totally depends. I just don't want to give like a confident. I don't want to give you like my 100. I don't want to give a stamp on it, right? Dude, this guy's really annoying. You see how he's trying to overload my right? Dude, it's just a tackle there. Yo, much love, brother. Much love, man. How to get the arrow underneath for player? It's in the trainer. Do you have VVD? Homie doesn't have VVD, does he? Or he does. Oh, this is gonna be great. Can I get there? Ah. Oi! That John. See, I'm not taking those opportunities with right speed. I should have held there for a half a second and then played it. So I just need to play smarter there. He's off again, man. I really don't like going over the top, but like that's... Dude, it's so stupid. It's just so stupid. I was there for it too, man. I was there for it too. I was there for it, man. Thanks for the follow, Panchu. Accidentally listed my Golden Belly. Dude, so stupid. That was just... I mean, clearly as I was defending it, Mbappe's, I know. And Romero's terrible at tackling, so like, that's really, really annoying, to be honest. Does Harry Kane get the stamp at 30? Yes, he does. Accidentally just listed 2 days. Oh no, Cuddy. That sucks. That's tough, man. Fodder call last year was goated. Yes, sir, man. Dude, this is just somebody that spends a lot of money. Nice. All right. 1 possession, 1 goal, boys. That's the name. That's the name. 1 possession, 1 goal. Dude. How does he make a strong run and then come back on it? He's not even pressing. Dude, it comes off so late. Come on, John. So if you ever have offsides trap, like if you ever get hit with the offside trap or offsides, usually you played the right play, but your timing's off, right? Like, come on. Dude. Again, dude, every tackle. There we go, finally, man. I'm just going over the tops right now, and I'm not doing anything smart, or am I? Thank you. Get it. Go. Get it. Go. Oh my gosh, dude. That's so stupid. Dude, Salo is wide open. Dude, Salo is wide open. And then it just... took too long. Input lag is a big thing on offsides. It's not input lag. What happens is I can explain. It's more based off RNG. See, I'm going too fast, man. I'm going way too fast. Oh my god, dude. Tire line was late. Oh my, he's terrible, dude. He's absolutely terrible. He's terrible. He should not even be close. I'm playing just as bad, so it's not like. See the market recovering to yesterday's levels? That fast? Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Did I just get a red card? No, I didn't. Ah, dude, what? Oh my lord. I mean, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? How is that not a foul, dude? Ah. Ah. There we go. I guess that works. Thank you for the sub. Truly blessed with that prime. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you. 30K is stamped. Yes. Yes. I said that. That's not what I wanted, but we'll take that. How much is it buy 85, 86 fodder? Dude, it's all really cheap right now. So you... Dude. What a little brat, man. That should be... Oh, that should be a red, dude. Xbox, right? Dude, I would not have lost that game. I would not have lost that game if it wasn't that stupid rollout thing. But here's the thing is I need to figure out something. I'm not able to like find that advancement right now. It has to be either over the top. It has to be the L1 speed boost. It has to be something that's effective. Do you know the answer to the question before? I'm not sure when to buy my team. So I'm gonna change the type. Is that pin still there? Ah. Okay. I got you. That video should help you. I'm not in the same train of thought. And so there's something I need to figure out on how to create space. It's just, there's like 3 ways to score is what I found right now. It's like the L1 speed boost through like the 2 gap. You have the over the top balls. And then you have like the cross. You have the cross behind the back line where the back line shifts. It's weird. Like 3 ways right now, at least I know. Of course, you have power shots, all that stuff. Finesse shot from Kerr, but like you need something that's like guaranteed. Who's Chelsea playing this week? I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. Man. Come on. I'm gonna start in that 4-1-2-1-2 this time. See how that helps. So you see how he's trying to do that? And so again, I'm way behind my movement. So that's where I need to get. I know what I need to do, guys. I just know what I need to do. I just know what I need to do, and I need to do it. I need to be cheeky, man. There we go. There we go. Don't tell me it's. I know. I know. I was trying to Travell there. Come on. Come on. There we go.
What fodder do we invest in and what prices? 88 for under 14k? Is high rated fodder best or low rated? Do you think they have rise to the end of the weekend?
Bro, watch the video. Watch the video that's pinned. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you using the channel points, but please watch the video. Ah, Gavardiol, man. Dude, what? What? Really? Did he really just dribble all the way up? Someone in the chat? Bro, the answer's in that video. I cover it all in that video. I promise you. Thank you, sir. I didn't think that player was going to come back. Pedri, where the heck are you running, man? That's a great play. Best time to buy, bro? Guys, it's a very simple, easy way to answer those questions. Best fodder to buy is the high rated fodder, but I answered that in that video. So I appreciate you guys. If you watch the video and then be more specific based off of that video. That's the whole point. That's the whole point now. Best time to buy, bro. Like I said, watch that video, man. The best time to buy is based off that video. That video goes through. It's like a 10-minute conversation of when the best time to buy is. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be Thursday, it could be Friday, it could be Saturday, it could be Sunday. We don't know what the best day to buy is based off of the market situation. So I basically explained the market situation. I appreciate you guys. I'm not trying to be hostile, guys. I'm really not. I'm just trying to make sure that when I say, like, when it says when to buy teams and it's pinned to the chat, I feel like that should help understand the analysis on the video. You know what I'm saying? That should help guide you to click that video. And then the idea is that you come back, you hang out with us, and we keep rocking. John, do you think I should sell Patelis at 570? Just buy for 500 or hold? I mean, if you're in profit, it's never bad to be profit. But I do want to see more stability in the market tonight. But we do have rewards coming out tonight as well. Is that a red? Can we please not lock that animation there, man? I just couldn't lock. Why can... I don't care about RNG, man. Like, animation lock based off of RNG is the weirdest connection. If they eliminated RNG based off of if they eliminated animation lock with RNG, the game, I think, would be way better. Because right now, basically, that animates because it's referencing the game is like, I'm not going to hit the... Like, I'm not going to hit that. Oh my gosh. What a save, boys. What a save. Ah. Lorente, dude. That was terrible, man. That's why I'm playing on stream right now. I need to get better at this game. I'm actually gonna be able to compete. I just need to get better. There we go. There we go, boys. Market's dropping like crazy. It should continue to reward, but if it goes up,
bacon.
Joseph, my man. There, man. Insane. Really? Oh my gosh, Dybala wins that? Whoa, whoa. He's off. Thank you. What's limited number of games per hour? He's gonna quit. If he quits, that's hilarious. He quits because he was offside. He quits because he was offside. It's on him, man. Why don't you like keep on playing only Xbox players? But if it rises, you stop mid-sentence. So if it starts to rise overnight, that means that there's like a crazy. Let's check it. Yo, it pulled up. Oh wait, no, it didn't. It was at 79. It's still going down. It's still slightly going down. So it should continue to drop all night. So like, I wouldn't buy just yet, right? Pina for 235. I mean, you could probably wait a little bit. Maybe you can get it for 225. You know what I'm saying? But with RTTK, it's really tough to call. I would say you may want to wait. Joseph Will Smith. Yeah, bro. You may want to wait until not Tuesday. You may want to wait until Monday. What div are you in? Div 2, just div 2. Guys, I need it. I need to get like a 6K win going into the tournament. I just bought right now since I'm not awake at Rivals. That's fair. You should be in an okay spot. Just if it doesn't go up, and it goes down at RTTK, it's possible because we have weekend league rewards and RTTK. So just team 2. So just be aware of that. Is that stretches? Dude, my man. Doku for 800. Like I said, man, it's all the same right now. The market's just like with RTTK. Like if there was a card to buy that could go up, it's definitely Doku. So it's like if you buy him at 800, or maybe you buy him at like 770, right? So it's like you buy him now, you should be up, and it could potentially go to, the card could potentially go to like 1.2, right? So it's like absolutely loving those stretches. Dastar, thanks, man. Thank you so much. Try investing because the AI ain't working for you. What do you mean, Dean? It's not working for you. When do you reckon Kane will rise approximately? How much? About 20K. If the AI is kicking you back saying there are no investments at this time, there's no investment. I'm saying don't buy yet because the market's still going down, right? That's kind of the concept. When do you reckon Kane? It won't let you log into your account. Are you on a PC? Let's see what the AI says, guys. See how long that stays gray? I don't like that, man. No, iPhone, that's probably your issue, man. If you're trying to go on like the browser, it may be an issue on the browser. So off your phone. We're still in beta, so we still have to work on some of that type of stuff. So that's probably the issue. Where to get AI? It's on it's FUTalert.ai. So these are some of the investments that it's recommending. It's thinking it's going to go to 176 in Nico, which we may have to like, I don't know if it'll go 176. I don't think that may not ever happen again. Can I flip anything right now? That's high rated though. Can you flip anything right now? Yeah, informs. Informs should be good. Like last week's informs. Dude, what is that pass? And what is that, dude? That's so annoying. That's not even, dude, that's not even a tackle. That's just a break. That's not who I'm passing it to, but that's all right. Like I said, guys, I've barely played this game. I need to just figure it out. There we go. Will comments still work? Because everybody's bidding. It's limited supply right now. Dude, how does that happen? Thank you. See, I need to stop doing that. That's a huge opportunity. Dude, there's no way Holland makes that pass. SMG. Dude, what is going on with this, man? There we go. Trash, such a trash goal. Oh, there's a vid. Yeah, there's a vid for it. That's natural goal, man. Come on. That's a natural goal. What happened to the market, bro? I mean, it's just I really thought that a lot of people in FC Pro dude, that is ridiculous. Dude, he had a cross. He missed it. He just missed that. Come on, trash. Come on, it got held down there again, man. That's how you do it right there. Meanwhile, Cruz is still extinct. That's a goal right there, boys. That's a real one. Solid being out of position doesn't affect him a great deal. Thought roll system. It does, but I use a lot of manual runs, so it doesn't really matter for me. Does that make sense? I just use a lot of manual runs. My creativity in the match is pretty high. So like I use a lot of creative runs. Who to invest in? The video should help you with investments, man. That's linked to the pinned. But Fodder is right now what I would call, man. Come on. Dude, that's so stupid, man. It just rolls right past the feet of my player. And see, like that's ridiculous. So that's where it's just super annoying. Pass goes right past my feet and then his just catches. So it's those precision passes. Do you hold R1? That's just honestly the reason why that pass goes through has nothing to do with my player or his pass. It has to do with Holland. It has to do with Holland's ability. And so I can explain it in a really deep level mechanically, but like it's really annoying, man. He's got a really high goal scoring ratio though. But his goals are just, it's just passes, breaking animations. Just bought 3 Eder Militao, 350 team of the week. Surely to nah. If they go up tonight, I would sell them, man. That stuff is there's gonna be a lot of supply coming in. There's gonna be a lot of supply coming in. Dude, I just need to get better at this game, man. I'm just terrible at this game right now. Come on, that's what I'm talking about. You see how, dude?
Get up and go, hey. Get up and go. Chamini kila kitu nachofanya wewe focus. Hata kama ukidondoka.
Come on, get in front of him. Naki, what are you doing? That's how you play, man. That's a real goal. Where's that bin, John? Come on. See, that's nothing, man. That's somebody just trying to glitch through you. Where's the talent? Bring it back, Johnny. Gotta get your talent back. See, that's clear. Oh my God. What in the world, man? That's on me. That's a terrible play. I had Rodri right there, just like a dumbass, man. That's just RNG, dude. It was a good play, but give me that pin, baby. I'm going to go left, boys. I'm going to go left. He's in the chat. Whoa. Naki, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Why do I have to save that, Naki? What an idiot, man. What an idiot. Naki. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, boys? We vibing? Dude, it's just all Holland has to do is just take a shot and it goes in, man. Dude, what is that? No way! I didn't get my player switches. I've just given up too much, man. Dude, Diaby's just everywhere. You get hands on this tactics? Actually, there's nowhere available right now. I need to bring him out for you guys, to be honest. Let's get Tamori in. Oh wait, Davey. Yeah, no, he's good. I think Rodri's starting to get taken left and right now. Get done out there. You have a taxi code? No, I can get one for you guys. I can get one for you boys. Dude, Diaby's broken. Swant's on the bench. You love to see it. First pack. Any investments for the crash? I would be going for fodder, man, if you guys are trying to just get in something and sit. But the real buy could be in a couple days. You should really post controller settings, camera, and tax. Your content is lovely, and then question triggers. What is he using though? Triggers? I gotta just literally try to glitch through